I could only prove that the mind exists. Epistemological solipsism postulates that I cannot prove with absolute certainty that other minds exist. So this is where the paradox derive when you get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, because
Relation to this dysphoria, right, that ascends right back up to
your preconceived notion is irrelevant, because fatalism philosophy is reality is subjugated to a sort of impersonal fate. It's independent of yours. It's primarily studying humor and comedy and literary devices and a number of different... Yeah.
The world is your home.
These patterns are only detectable to people who are impaired. So I didn't just want to understand sound from a linguistics perspective or just have... In music, you have also
sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.